You are going to love the 2019 Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.